Take a ride in the 2020 Hyundai Tucson. Boasting low noise and vibration levels and a smooth ride, the Tucson combines the rugged utility of an SUV with the maneuverability and refinement of a car. With its spacious interior, small never felt so big. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, front-wheel drive, keyless ignition, cruise control, fog lamps, electronic stability control, power door locks, power windows, daytime running lights, alarm, rear spoiler. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.